Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Nissan Maxima. First, always begin by checking the cabin air filter, as a clogged filter can severely restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Next, visually inspect the AC compressor clutch to ensure it engages when the AC is turned on. Finally, use an AC manifold gauge set to check the system's refrigerant pressure, which is crucial for proper operation. Once initial checks are done, focus on diagnosing specific faults. If your refrigerant is low, it almost always points to a leak somewhere in the system, requiring professional detection and repair. A non-engaging compressor means the heart of your AC isn't pumping, leading to no cold air. Also, don't overlook electrical problems like blown fuses or bad relays, which can completely disable the AC system. For more advanced troubleshooting, test your blower motor to ensure air is actually moving through the vents at various speeds. If you're getting air but not the right temperature, investigate the blend door actuators, which control the mix of hot and cold air. Additionally, carefully examine all AC lines and components for any signs of refrigerant leaks, such as oily residue. While many basic AC issues can be addressed at home, complex repairs like compressor replacement or leak sealing are best left to certified technicians. Regular maintenance, including annual refrigerant checks and filter replacements, will significantly extend your AC system's lifespan. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your Maxima's AC in top shape ensures comfortable driving for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.